Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. And today we are going to start unit number 7, geometry. First of all, we remember angles, and here the point is remembering angles. First of all, we have a acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degree. As we read it in class 4 and 3, acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree, and we can measure it by a protractor. The next angle is right angle. A right angle is equal to 90 degree, and we can draw a right angle easily by drawing a vertical and horizontal line. This is right angle because its measurement is 90 degree, and we can measure angles with the help of a protractor. Next, an obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. An angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree called obtuse angle, and this is an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. The next one is straight angle. A straight angle is equal to 180 degree, and it shows a straight line like this. Its measurement is 180 degree. Next is a reflex angle is more than 180 degree. A reflex angle is more than 180 degree, and this is a reflex angle. Next page tells us constructing angles with a protractor. How we can construct angles using a protractor, we understand in this page. A right angle can easily be drawn by joining a horizontal and vertical line. First of all, we have to draw a vertical line, then horizontal line. We can easily construct a right angle. Draw a horizontal line AB on the protractor and 90 degree. Find 90 degree and mark the point C. Draw a vertical line joining A to C like this. Next is straight angle. Straight angle are drawn like straight lines on the protractor. Find 180 degree and mark this point C, join A and C. We can easily draw a straight angle. We have to draw a straight line and find 180 degree on the protractor, and then we have to point these names. The next is reflex angle. In the figure shown, angle XYZ is equal to 60 degree. As we know, the angles which are less than 90 degree are called reflex angle are greater than 180 degree. This is not a reflex angle. This is an acute angle. We have to read this line. The angle between XY and YZ marked with the arrow outside 60 degree. If we mark here outside the 60 degree like this, now this angle is changed into a reflex angle, and in this matter we called it an acute angle. Here we have the method extending the angles. The angle before XY and YZ marked with an arrow outside 60 degree is known as a reflex angle. Same here as we draw for you. Next, extend XY as shown. Notice that angle XYW is equal to 180 degree and ZYW is equal to 120 degree. Reflex angle XYZ is equal to 120 plus 180 is equal to 300 degree. To measure a reflex angle using a half circle protractor, we remember the ruler. That one complete turn is equal to 360 degree. All we have to do is measure the acute angle and subtract that numbers from 360 to get the reflex angle. In this line, we know that we can easily convert an acute angle into reflex angle. Here the acute angle XYZ is equal to 60 degree and the reflex angle XYZ is equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 300 degree. Okay students, these are some steps to draw same angles. Next chapter is very interesting, unit number 7, because it's about geometry, and today's lecture is complete. If you have any problem, you may clear it by asking me. Allah Hafiz, take